Good morning, guys. We're gonna come along with me and we're gonna make my morning protein smoothie. So I'm actually a big banana girl, so I'll be doing a lot of frozen banana. If you like any other fruits, you can feel free to add to it. I currently am using the Nutri blender. You know, it comes in these cups. Super easy, just pop it in, blend it. I always add creatine to mine every day because I have creatine into my daily supplements, I guess you could say. Okay, so some pre-frozen bananas. I'm gonna add these in. I usually add at least a banana and a half. I like it to be really strong in banana. It's just so good. Oh my god, I crave banana. Like, I love banana bread, anything like that, which we're actually finishing the bag today with that. So it kind of looks like that. That's all right. And then you're gonna take protein milk. I know this is a protein milk, but protein milk from Lactaid is 13 grams of protein per cup. So add as much as you want. I add a minimum of 1 cup, sometimes a cup and a half to help out. All right, so we're doing a cup. You can tell I am just woke up fresh in the morning and filming this video for you guys with very little makeup on. It fills up like that. If you're adding more ingredients that are more stiff, like frozen stuff, you might need more liquid, but that's all I need for this. So my favorite yogurt to add into this is the Fage, I will never learn how to say that, yogurt and vanilla. 1 serving is about 16 grams of protein. I'm actually running out, so I'm gonna have to mix this and then this one. This is also Fage, but it's also not vanilla, so I'm not as much in love with it. But for 1 serving, it's 18 grams of protein. So I pretty much have enough for this with these two. We're both gonna run out today on both of these, so, which is fine. I have these cups from Amazon I absolutely love. This is 1/4 of a cup, and I have several of these, so I just use these like all the time for measuring everything. I've done this enough times, I just take a spoon and do it by hand, because I know what 1/4 of a cup when I put it in. You make this every day, you kind of figure out measuring on your own. I'm not gonna lie, what that looks like and how much it should be. And if it ends up being a little more, hey, who cares, you know. I'm gonna add in my daily creatine. If you have any supplements or things you use daily, like grains, this is a great time to add it. It's just a clear, flavorless powder. Okay, so I did this for the first time yesterday, and I took my whey protein powder. And the thing is, if you watched my protein favorites, I told you I'm one of those people, I cannot get powdered protein down. It literally makes me gag. I can't get it down. But what I did, because I wanted a little boost of protein, 1 scoop is 24 grams of protein. What I did was half a scoop. That's still like a ton of protein when it comes to a smoothie. So we're gonna add in half a scoop. So it's very minimal flavoring of the protein. I literally can't get it down if I do a scoop. It literally makes me gag. So half a scoop, literally. Dump it in. And that's why we also add extra bananas to mask that flavoring. Okay, I lowered you guys so I can show you. I love this Nutri, whatever blender. It's easy, you just put the lid on, pop it in. And then I just do whatever. I don't actually know the different settings. I've never figured out. They all kind of do the same thing except for pulse. Just saying. So I'll probably mute you guys for this because it's extremely loud. All right. It's heavy, it's thick. And then there's your smoothie. And I just drink it with the straw, and that's it. Proof I'm drinking it, because I know somebody's gonna say something. Yep, I'll do it. Cheers.